Happy Thursday, Kipsters! Do you think you can show how many tens and ones are in any number? I think you can. We've had a lot of practice with our tens and ones place. What we're going to do today is we will say and write numbers to show the tens and ones. So if we look at our number on this screen, we have 100. So we're going to say how many tens and ones there are in 100. I drew out 100 using my quick tens, but instead of just drawing each line to represent a quick 10, I put 10 beads in each of these lines so that we know, okay, each of these lines has 10 beads. So let's see if we can count. We're gonna count the say 10 way, just like this. So I say 110, 210, let's keep going, count with me. 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. So now we look at our place value chart. I can fill out how many groups of 10 there are. If you remember, we stopped at 10 tens. So there are 10 groups of 10. And if we think about, did we have any extra ones that we counted that were not a part of a group of 10? I don't remember counting any extra ones, so we have 0. So we can say 10 tens and 0 ones is the same as 100. What if I now add one more bead to the 100 beads I already had? Do I still have, so if we fill out our place value chart, do I still have 0 ones? Nope, I have one extra one now. So I can write 1, 1. And do I still have 10 tens, 10 groups of 10? Yep, I still have 10 groups of 10. So when I say 10 tens and 1, 1, I now have the number 101. But what if I also add, this time I add 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if our place value chart is going to change, or maybe it'll stay the same. If I start with my tens place, how many groups of 10 do I have? I still have 10. I didn't see myself adding any groups of 10. But how many ones, extra ones, do I now have? I have 3. These are extra ones because they are not a part of a group of 10. There's only 3 of them. So our new ones place now says 3. So if I say 10 tens and 3 ones, we now have the number 103. Okay, just like we did, there are different ways of saying numbers. For example, we can say the number 61, or we can say it the say 10 way. We can say 6 tens and 1, 1. So if we look at these problems that we have, letters A through D, we're either going to say it the say 10 way, or we're just going to say the number. So we start with letter A. It says 74. What would be our place value chart that we would fill out for 74? Think about the tens and ones in 74. There are 7 tens and 4 ones in 74. What about the next one, 78? How many groups of 10 are in 78? Look at the tens place. There are 7 groups of 10. How many ones are there? Remember, the ones place is the last number. There are 8 ones. And now let's do letter C. This one's a little different because this time, instead of saying the tens and ones, we're just going to write out the number. So if I have 9 tens and 1 1, what number do I have? What's my total? I have 91. 91. And the next one, if I have, not 100, but I have 10 tens and 9 ones, what's my number that I can write down? Altogether, I have 109. I have 9 ones and I have 10 groups of 10. Let's try to do these next ones. If I have the number 116, how many groups of 10 do I have? I can look at my tens place and see I have 11 groups of 10. And how many groups of 1? Or how many extra ones do I have? I have 6 ones. So both of these are the same number, just different ways of looking at the number. And if we do the next one where it says 103, already think about how many groups of 10 and how many ones there are in 103. I look at my ones place, I have 3 ones, so I can fill that out. How many groups of 10 are in the number 103? There are 10 groups of 10. Now let's do the next one. This one we have to write the number down. I see that it tells me there are 11 tens and 2 ones. What's my number? Oh, I think it's 112. Both of these, once again, are the same number. And if we do the last one, I have 12 groups of 10 and 0 ones. What would my number be? What do you think it is? It's 120. That's our number we would write down. Now I want you to try all by yourself to do these next problems just like we did. Think about how many tens and ones are in the number or how you can write the number the regular way. Pause the video and then come back to check your work and see, did you get all the right answers? For your exit ticket, you are now going to write the numbers the regular way. For each of these, it tells you the number the say 10 way. It tells you how many tens and how many ones are in the number, and you have to write that number down. So make sure that you do your exit ticket. We'll see you tomorrow, Gipsters.